Tattoos are leaving their mark on society to the tune of $1.6 billion. The business of tattoo removal is also booming. What does a court of public opinion think of all this ink? And what's the cost of regret? ABC 7's Hillary Florin has more.
When I first opened my shop in '98, there was only 12 shops in El Paso. Now there's about 50, 60.
Daniel Gonzalez, or Tattoo Dan, has worked in El Paso for 25 years. He's seen changes in machines, styles, and investment.
I have a couple thousands on me.
Diane Carrillo knows she spent about 10 grand on tattoos, but what she doesn't remember is how many tattoos she has.
I love the art. I love what they represent to me. Like my grandma's tattoo, she passed away a long time ago, so I get to carry her with me all the time.
Diane is not alone. According to a recent Statista survey, 4 out of 10 U.S. adults have at least one tattoo, with a quarter of respondents saying they have more than one. When you add in the nearly 20% who said they were considering getting one, then only 39% of Americans are left on the non-inked side of the fence, and the industry is expected to keep on growing. Most popular tats: roses, skulls, names.
A lot of the wilderness scenes, like the wolves, the pine trees, that, and the medallia type tattoos, which is real like fine line, like flowers and all that detail.
But what starts off at a tattoo parlor could end up here at a plastic surgeon's office. Since 2010, 700,000 tattoos have been professionally removed.
My family, my parents, they got pretty mad at me. Like, why would I get it there in that location, and why a moon, and just a lot of negativity.
Samantha Madrid got this tattoo on her finger when she was 18.
I regretted getting it. I shouldn't have gotten it. So now I paid a lot more to remove it than what I did to get it.
Now watch those years of regret fade away with this $300,000 state-of-the-art laser. Lucky for Samantha, her tattoo is a simple black one, disappearing as our camera rolled. She'll probably need 2 more treatments after this, at a cost of $150 per treatment. The process typically takes anywhere from 10 minutes to hours, depending on a tattoo's size and colors.
It's a lot worse getting it removed.
There's always that regret factor sometimes. There's also, as you mature and go up in the labor force, some employments require that you don't have any visible tattoos, so that's another very common reason patients come in.
Tattoo Dan tries to keep his clients from making these costly mistakes.
Especially like young people that, you know, they're going to college and they want to get something below their elbow. I try to wean them off of it. Especially depends on what they're going to do their career.
Tattoos are still taboo. 76% of employees feel they hurt your job interview chances, but 73% of employers say they would hire staff with visible tattoos. Only 4% of tattooed people say they face discrimination in their current job.
We always get more stereotyped, but it's just how you wear your tattoos. I've always said, you got to wear them. They don't wear you.
And if you're going to get inked, Diane has this advice.
Go somewhere professional. You don't want to go with just anybody, because then you're going to end up going to a professional place to get it fixed.
Hillary Florin, ABC 7.
And you can find out more about tattoo trends and the removal process, including before and after pictures, at kvia.com.